Welcome back to Fall in the Field at Hyatt Lake. Are you ready to test your hypothesis? I know I am. We are going to add water to our model to see how it moves throughout the watershed. You're going to need your spray bottle or your cup of water. Take your spray bottle or cup of water and gently pour water on top of the watershed. That's with the spray bottle. If you have your cup, you're just going to gently pour little bits. It may start to collapse, and that's okay. And I want you to make observations about what's happening to the watershed. How does water move throughout? How did your watershed change? What happened to the human-made features? As you can see, it started to bleed a little bit. What does that mean? Did the human-made features have an impact on the rest of the watershed? How? Pause the video and answer these questions on your student response page. Did your results match your hypothesis? As you can see on my model, and hopefully yours, even though our human-made features were concentrated in different areas, they still had an impact on the rest of the watershed. You can see how the marker bled and moved downstream. So things from our logging, from our farms, and from our cities all started to run off down into our streams. Let's think back to our earlier question. How do humans impact a watershed? Remember, humans can have a positive and a negative impact. Pause the video and brainstorm a list on your student response page. Let's dig a little deeper into how humans impact the watershed. Join me in completing the Environmental Impact Challenge. You will determine if each of the following scenarios has a positive or negative impact on a watershed. Let's consider farming first. Crops and soil trap greenhouse gases, removing CO2 out of the atmosphere. Is this positive or negative? Pesticides, herbicides, chemical fertilizers, and manure often run off into nearby bodies of water. Is this positive or negative? Livestock may graze on vegetation along the stream bank, increasing erosion. Is this positive or negative? Many farms create wetlands to decrease flooding. Is this positive or negative? Soil and habitat destruction can occur. Is this positive or negative? Farms can work in harmony with nature to create diverse habitats for animals. Is this positive or negative? Now, let's consider logging. Habitat destruction and fragmentation can occur, causing biodiversity to decrease. Is this positive or negative? Trees are a renewable resource and can be planted again. Is this positive or negative? Selective cutting removes some, but not all trees, keeping the forest healthy. Is this positive or negative? Clear cutting removes all trees in an area, which can increase erosion. Is this positive or negative? Thinning the forest helps make the forest healthy for all organisms that call it home. Is this positive or negative? Great job! I hope you enjoyed the Environmental Impact Challenge. Continue to think about other impacts farming and logging have on the watershed.